You see all of this.
I see you.
Correct?
I do.
I am not the type of female to be up in somebody's Cheesecake Factory.
Okay,
I know that's what you're used to. Brokey on a budget.
Time out.
Brokey on a budget. All the brokies stand up.
So you want to go to Ruth Chris, right?
Yes.
All right. I feel like Ruth Chris is reserved for women that hold themselves to a bit of a standard that is not quite your level. Because when you walked in here, I promise you right now, something was a little off. I didn't want to say nothing, but since we want to talk about brokey, Stinky, stop playing with me.
Why would you say that on camera? Are you serious?
Okay, let's pause right here. In this clip, a woman is screaming into the camera saying she looks too good to be taken to Cheesecake Factory, calling men brokies on a budget, demanding luxury as a baseline. The energy escalates, insults fly, and the host fires back by saying certain restaurants are reserved for women who carry themselves with a higher standard, then publicly humiliates her. And suddenly, she's shocked it happened on camera. Now let's break this down. From an NLP perspective, this is what happens when identity is built on validation instead of values. She anchors her worth to appearance and external rewards. He responds by attacking her identity back. What you're watching isn't dating, it's a dominance exchange. Once emotion spikes, logic shuts off. The Bible already warned us about this. A soft answer turns away wrath, but harsh words stir up anger. Pride meeting pride always ends in destruction. Loud entitlement doesn't create value, and public shaming doesn't create standards. But here's the part most people miss. Why are we even watching this? Men and women arguing, humiliating each other, recycling trauma, and calling it entertainment. This kind of content programs the mind to expect conflict instead of cooperation. It trains people to perform dysfunction instead of fixing it. What makes this show different is simple. We don't just react to chaos, we decode it. We pause the noise, break down the psychology, and extract the lesson so you can actually apply it to your own life. No gossip, no dogpiling, no shouting matches. Just clear commentary that helps you think better, move better, and choose better. Because if you keep feeding your mind chaos, chaos will feel normal. But when you start feeding it wisdom, your standards change. Quietly, permanently, and without needing to shout. And that's the difference. Make sure you follow, like, and share so we can keep growing together, and let me know your thoughts in the comments.